You have definitely seen one of those satisfying videos on TikTok or YouTube or any other platform where something destroyed gets fixed, like a house, a kitchen, or even a wrecked car. But here is the shocker. Did you know that these videos are actually entirely made by artificial intelligence? And there are many channels out there pulling in thousands of dollars just from this specific niche. Yes, even you can do exactly what they are doing. You can create videos just like these in 10 minutes. And the best part, it is all done just by copy and paste. Nothing more. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to create these videos and how to make good profits if you work consistently. Now, to profit from YouTube Shorts, you obviously need a channel, but I am not going to talk about that part today. I am only here today to show you the specific method for creating these viral videos. So let's get started. First, let's go to ChatGPT. We need to click on Explore GPTs to find the right tool. Here you will see many options. In the search box, simply type floor, and this option will appear, Floor Transformation. Click on Start. In this case, you will see several preset options in front of you, like a kitchen, a garage, and others. All you have to do is choose any number, and ChatGPT will provide you with all the prompts you need. I am going to choose number 7. And voila, here are the prompts that we need. Here is the first prompt for the image. Since I chose a home office, ChatGPT gave us 7 detailed prompts. No need to worry, I will explain absolutely everything to you in detail. Let's copy the first prompt and head over to Flow, where we will generate the images and turn them into videos. After copying the first prompt, go to Create Image. Paste the prompt here, and make sure to choose the correct aspect ratio for shorts. After a few moments, this amazing result appears. Okay, this is image number 1. Let's download it. To get the result you saw at the beginning of the video, we are going to need 4 images in total.
So we go back to ChatGPT, copy the second prompt for the second image, and go back to Flow to generate it.
Now, upload the first image we generated into the image box. We need the AI to modify this exact picture using the new prompt, not start from scratch. Paste the prompt and wait a few moments. And here is the result. Now we have 2 images, and 2 remain. Download the second image. You must remember the order and numbers of the images because we will need that later. Now go back to ChatGPT to copy the third prompt, return to Flow again, and generate the third image. Now clear the previous upload and drag image number 2 into the image box. We need to build upon this specific stage. Paste the third prompt here and hit generate. By now, you must have understood the idea of the work, and the method is starting to become clear in your head. Now we have transformed the first image from nothing into a home office. To complete the mission, let's go back to ChatGPT. Copy the 4th prompt for the final image. Okay, for the final iteration, clear the box and upload image number 3, which is almost complete. Now paste that final 4th prompt here to add the finishing touches. There it is. Hit generate and wait a moment. And there it is. The office is finally fully renovated and looks incredible. So now we have successfully generated all 4 images needed for the sequence. They should look exactly like this order shown on screen right now. Now, these are the images we need to create our short video. Let's move to the second part of the mission, which is converting these images into a beautiful video. Go to the option Frame to Video to convert using Veo 3. You must have memorized the order of the images we created, as I told you earlier. Put image 1 here, and image 2 in the second frame. Now return to ChatGPT and scroll down. Here you will find these 3 specific prompts. This is a prompt to convert images into video. As you see, the first prompt is dedicated to image 1 and 2. Copy the prompt and go back to Flow. Paste the prompt here and press Enter. The AI connects the 2 images. It turns them into a video fixed in place without changing any details other than what is in the second image. Look at this result. Very perfect. Did you see? It wasn't hard. Now let's complete the rest of the clips in the same way. Put image 2 in the first frame,
And in the second frame, put the third image. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the second prompt for images 2 and 3. Paste the prompt in Flow and wait. If anyone faces a problem or doesn't understand, tell me in the comments and I will be happy to help. Now for the final scene. Put the third image and the fourth image. Copy the prompt, paste it here, and wait for the result.
Excellent, everything is ready. Go to CapCut or any editing software to combine the clips easily. I use a PC, but the phone works too. It didn't take 10 minutes. You can create dozens a day. One video can push your channel to success. Thanks for watching. Peace.